A grade rules library stores multiple grade rules in a single file. These files can be opened for future styles, and used to apply grade rules to single points or entire pieces. This helps pattern graders to keep grading consistent and organized. First, go to View, and tick on Grading Rules Library. This opens the Grade Rules Library tools, beneath the grading table. Then go to View, Piece View, Contours, and turn on Point Number. To create a new rules library, click the New Rules Library tool. The system loads the sizes from the grading table. Select a graded point, then click Create New Rule. Name the grade rule with letters or numbers. For the initial value, select which grade rule values this rule will be based on. The Selected Points option includes the values for the selected points only. The All Points of External Contour option includes the values for all external grade points in the piece. The Fixed Rule option allows you to manually enter X and Y grade values. We'll explain more about the Fixed Rule option later in this video. In this case, let's call this rule Hem, and choose the Selected Points option. Click OK, and the Hem rule is added to the rules list. Let's do the same for each graded point in this piece. The rules list orders the grade rules alphabetically and numerically. To create a new grade rule with the Fixed Rule option, enter the X and Y values for the next size larger than the base size. Give the rule a name. The system creates an equal grade for all sizes, but these values can be edited for each size. To apply the new rule to one or multiple points, select the grade points and click Apply Rule. Copy and paste the grade rule to the other points in the piece. The points are labeled with the rule name, and the parentheses indicate that the X or Y value has been flipped. When all the rules have been added to the rules list, click Save Rules Library. Give the rules library a name, and it will have an RUL file extension. Click Open Rule Library to see the Grade Rules Library file in the folder.